Contusions. No sense. Ha ha.
That's it. Yannick
Absolutely. Champion.
I am sad.
क्यों यार? I mean,
He played very well, but Team Vamos.
Alcaraz के लिए our brother's a little sad, but I felt it was a match between someone who was playing really well against someone who was playing way below his potential.
He started great though, 6-4 leading.
6-4, but उसके बाद 4-6, 4-6, 4-6.
Dominated.
Alcaraz को पता नहीं क्या हो गया था यार. There were so many unforced errors. उसको 2 या 3 बार break भी किया Sinner ने. He had already lost the battle in his head
Yeah.
from the time Sinner won the second set.
But for that matter, Sinner had more unforced errors.
Yes, he had 40 unforced
Yeah.
errors, whereas Alcaraz had 38. But somehow I felt Alcaraz was trying too hard to get
True.
these points. मतलब वो जो उसका
Drop
lob वाला
shots,
और drop
yeah.
shots वाला game है, he's trying to get corners which were like very tight और वहाँ पर unforced errors ज़्यादा हो रहे थे. वो जो कोशिश थोड़ी extra सी जो कोशिश होती है
For
ना
the
उस चक्कर
finals,
में रह गया.
yeah, that was missing surely. And I feel Yannick Sinner, the first Italian to win Wimbledon,
Yes.
truly deserving.
It's Yannick
Yep.
Sinner's first Wimbledon. That's a big thing. Alcaraz 2 बार Wimbledon जीत चुका था. He could have had a hat trick of Wimbledon.
That would be great.
But it was not meant to be.
Okay.
Sinner was the better player today.
100%.
I feel हम लोगों को एक रेफरेंस जोकोविच को देना चाहिए. I feel it was his
100%,
last Wimbledon.
I don't think so. That's what he said.
He said that, but he's 38, and he also said that his body is not the same as it used to be.
I agree, but maybe records are meant to be broken. He'll be the first player to maybe win a Wimbledon at 39.
You never know,
You
but
never
I have a very strong feeling that he's not coming back.
Let's see.
What Wimbledon has really done, or it has been doing for all these years, is कि उस इवेंट पे हर कोई अपने फैशन स्टेटमेंट को एकदम सीरियसली लेके पहुंचता है. I'm talking about the people who come to see the matches. आपको समझ में तो
Epitome
आ
of
गया होगा.
epitome of elite fashion.
But yeah, I mean, you look at the celebs, whether it's Hollywood, whether it's footballers, whether it's cricketers for that matter,
Yeah.
everybody's dressed on point.
Who was your favorite?
My favorite, it has to be David Beckham. मतलब
He nails it every
मतलब
time.
साल दर साल, he's been at the top of his fashion game when it comes to Wimbledon. इस साल he was dressed in this amazing double-breasted jacket,
Right.
brown tie. Oh yes, double-breasted jacket. A friend here. तुम्हारा inspiration लेकिन डिकाप्रियो है मुझे लगता है.
100%, you know it. It's more easy, more
But
street
yeah,
style, but
I
still a
mean,
jacket.
Beckham, his fashion statement can never go wrong.
Yeah, I think he's one of the most stylish sports person ever.
Apart from Beckham, मुझे एंड्रू गारफील्ड का लुक बड़ा अच्छा लगा.
Very basic, but very cool.
And he was color coordinated with his.
Coastal Grandad.
He was उसकी बंदी का नाम क्या है?
I forgot.
बोलना चाहिए छोड़े color coordination. ठीक है.
What about Rishabh Pant?
Rishabh Pant. I know why you're talking about Rishabh Pant. Looking at the pinstripe blazer.
But I think you wore it much better.
Pinstripe blazers थोड़े tricky होते हैं.
True.
So my inspiration was Ralph Lauren. Most of the people there were dressed in Ralph Lauren.
Oh, yes.
The way Ralph Lauren does it, I think nobody does it better. Even Sachin Tendulkar was wearing Ralph
He
Lauren.
is always well dressed, like very relates to his personality, very calm, very basic.
And his suits are always on point.
Yeah.
Nick Jonas.
Nick Jiju भी आए थे.
Nick Jiju with Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah.
They were looking Wimbledon royalty.
Yeah. White and blue, perfect royalty.
Contrast color shirt पहनी थी Nick
Yeah,
Jonas.
true.
Virat Kohli had come to watch Joker's quarterfinal.
Yes, he did.
How did you like his attire?
I was expecting much better from his end. It was too basic, but he is a very well dressed person. But I was
Yeah.
expecting more.
Brown suit. But विराट कोहली से एक चीज तो समझ में आ रही है. उसने जरूर शुभमन गिल और पार्टी को डिनर पे बुलाया था बिफोर द मैच. अरे भाई. बट विराट कोहली से
ये डाल रहे हैं
I think our mics have grown the balls. Duckett hasn't, but the mics have. That's why they're getting all heavy. But विराट कोहली ने लगता है डिनर पे बुलाया था शुभमन गिल को मैच से पहले.
यार,
क्या एग्रेशन लेके आया है?
It is fantastic to see Gill, this side of Gill, for the fact that like he stood up for the team.
Yes.
And also for the fact I think number 4 में aggression होना जरूरी है.
हाँ, विराट कोहली का जो परचम है वो गिल आगे लेके जा रहा है. I mean,
Gill,
the way he took on Ben Duckett and Crawley, I mean, they were wasting time for sure. I mean, obviously they were
100%,
wasting
yeah,
time,
yeah.
And they did not want to face Bumrah any longer. तो भाई किसी तरह टाइम निकाले और दिन खत्म करें. And the way he just came onto the pitch and he's like, grow some.
Yeah.
Okay, beep balls. So that was amazing to see. It's the new India. It's the new India. Aggressive India. Match तगड़ा जा रहा है.
I think we'll win.
Oh, it's evenly poised right now.
It is, I think.
Kal India needs to get 136 more runs to win.
Yes.
It's the 5th day. The pitch is not helping. It's turning square.
We have our new wall, Mr.
Yes,
Rahul.
Rahul is still there.
Yeah.
Rishabh Pant है उसके साथ. Then there is
Reddy.
There is Sundar. There is Jaddu.
Yeah.
Jaddu's been in great form.
Yeah. अरे आराम से जीतेंगे.
India has a good chance to win it.
Thankfully, the total is not too high to
Yes,
chase.
yes.
So I think we are in a good spot.
We are in a good spot, and I feel we have a good chance to go 2-1 up.
Yep.
But Washington Sundar, yaar, one has to give it to him. 4 wickets, most crucial wickets, I would say. Root ko bowled kiya,
Agreed.
Stokes ko bowled kiya. I think he got Smith, and he got another wicket.
3
Amazing
bowls.
piece of bowling.
3 as a spinner.
Yeah, amazing piece of bowling. I mean, no wonder Gambhir is a big fan of his, and why he's been vouching for Sundar for
Hence
so long.
proved it's a GG era.
It's the GG era for sure. But yeah, if you've seen this match, it has been more about what the likes of Washi have done. Generally, आप expect करते हो England में series हो रही है, then it'll be all about pace, it'll be all about
Yeah.
swing, seam. But पहले 2 matches में भी इतने high scoring games रहे, and तीसरे match में Washi has totally turned it around. So it's been more for the spinners.
Right.
मतलब जो एक pace और speed का impact होता है, वो इतना दिखा नहीं.
Speed सिर्फ एक ही जगह हो रही है.
कहाँ?
F1.
You mean the sport?
The movie.
Ah,
Brad
yes.
Pitt, an absolute charmer, plays Sonny Hayes, who is coming back to the F1 world once again
Okay.
after 30 years of a break.
Okay.
For a fictional team called APXGP.
Okay.
He's one of the co-producers of the movie along with Lewis Hamilton.
Oh yes, yeah, I've read about it. Yeah.
Amazing screenplay, amazing cinematography. It literally felt that I'm sitting in a cockpit of an F1 car.
Okay.
That level of speed, style, and everything you can imagine.
Wow.
I mean, it's an out-and-out experience rather than just a movie.
I've been hearing about it कि इसको देखना है तो theaters में जाके देखो.
IMAX it is, or maybe 4DX, whatever.
Theaters are not a part of my life anymore.
I
No way.
Bad the authenticity in the movie. They have real-life cameos like Max Verstappen and Daniel Ricciardo, and even Mercedes CEO and all of the people are there in the movie. Crazy music by Hans Zimmer, uplifting, thrilling. Yep.
And Zimmer से याद आया, he's also responsible for the music of the epic Ramayana.
Along with A.R. Rahman.
कैसा लगा तुम्हें इसका teaser?
इससे अच्छा VFX इंडियन मूवी में तो नहीं देखा है मैंने.
I'm excited. कौन है इसके पीछे? The guy who's...
Namit Malhotra, the
Yes.
visionary.
Yeah.
He has won Oscars for Interstellar, Inception, Dune. He was actually a graduate 1995 pass out. Then he started his own company, moved to the US, and then it's all history.
He's a third generation filmmaker is what I
yeah.
know.
He's a
and,
visionary, like crazy guy.
VFX की दुनिया में is a big name, right?
Badshah.
The kind of names that he's responsible for, I'm super excited about what they're creating with Ramayana. Producer भी वही है ना पूरा इसका?
One of them.
One of the
One of them,
producers.
yep.
And Ranbir Kapoor as Ram.
Sai Pallavi as Sita, Yash as
Ravan.
And the
2.5
list
किलो
goes
का
on.
हाथ.
Arre, I
As
am
Hanuman.
the most excited for Hanuman. Actually, not kidding. He could be like, अगर I don't think वो सब डालेंगे pop culture
course,
reference,
of course.
but it will be a
But उसके अराउंड मीम्स बहुत बनेंगे. अगर गदा उठानी है तो हाथ 2.5 किलो का आना चाहिए.
हम ही बनाएंगे. They are releasing in 2 parts. First part is 2026 Diwali and second is in 2027. First part पूरी shoot हो चुकी है.
Okay.
It's under post production now.
हाँ, of course उसके VFX treatment कहीं लग जाएगा 1
एक
साल
साल.
तो यार. I'm pretty sure.
I'm
But
excited.
yes. बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त ईयर होने वाला है for रणबीर कपूर. There is Love and War coming. There is
Yes.
Ramayana. और भी कुछ कर रहा है वो एपिक ब्रह्मास्त्र पार्ट 2.
ब्रह्मास्त्र पता नहीं कब बनेगी. एनिमल भी कब बनेगी.
एनिमल पार्क बहुत अच्छी मूवीज आ रही हैं. There's a lot in store for Ranbir.
And Ranveer.
Oh yeah, Ranbir
Sing.
is back with his new teaser drop.
Dhurandhar.
अरे धुरंधर का टाइटल ट्रैक भी तो जबरदस्त है जिसपे कंट्रोवर्सी हो गई है.
Crazy.
क्या नाम है उसका? MC जोगी. ना दे दिल पर देसी नू तनु नित दा रोना पै जूगा. Come on.
Come on. Literally, I think an amazing song.
याद है we were in school जब ये गाना
Oh
आया था.
yes.
It
मैंने
was
अपनी one of the cousins की शादी में डांस किया था इस पे. Like
अरे
it was like
यार.
a patent song.
legends in the movie Akshay
Yeah.
Khanna, R Madhavan, Arjun Rampal और एक
Sanjay Dutt, bro.
that's up. एक बंदा legendary लग रहा है यार.
It's all boys.
It's all boys.
Looks like.
I would love to know क्या
Yeah, he's
कहानी
playing
है.
an undercover agent, Ranveer Singh, and how he unfolds the mafia scene in 80s or 19s. It's based on that. And Ajit Doval, the national security head, is played by Madhavan.
Okay.
So it's revolving around the truly inspired events which happened in 80s and 90s.
Not bad. काफी अच्छा कंटेंट आ रहा है. अच्छे कंटेंट से याद है मैंने भी कुछ अच्छा देखा.
क्या देखा?
Whatever I can watch at home by not going to the theaters. And luckily this movie only came on OTT.
Okay.
कालीधर लापता.
This looked very promising to me.
Abhishek Bachchan.
right?
हाँ मतलब it is a beautiful movie. Abhishek Bachchan has done an amazing job. I mean वो genuinely अच्छा काम करता है.
उसका
बस
एक ही गलती है कि वो अमिताभ बच्चन का बेटा है.
बस वही उसकी गलती है और उसे काम करना चाहिए.
Yeah.
भाड़ में गया किस डायरेक्टर के साथ कहाँ. He should work more.
Yeah.
And he has the potential to give you experiences that will send you back with a smile on your face.
Right.
But somebody I would like to appreciate even more than Abhishek in the movie is the kid who plays Ballu. यार इतना प्यारा है ना वो एक्टर. मतलब इतना जेन्युइन है. एंड कुछ कुछ बातें तो ऐसी कर जाता ना. They're like lessons of life.
Okay.
I mean, the story goes like this कि अभिषेक बच्चन को memory loss होने लगा है. He's in his early 40s probably. And उसकी family के लिए वो एक बोझ बन गया है because उसके treatment का खर्चा बहुत है. And his family members they plan to sort of take him to कुंभ का मेला and then leave him there and come back. And सारे property के papers अपने नाम पे कर लेंगे etc. And then sort of not have to carry the burden of his ailments. But
It's very mean.
he understands और उसे समझ आ जाता है ये हो रहा है and he intentionally doesn't go back and he just sticks around some remote village and then he gets to spend time with this kid Ballu who lives in a mandir.
Okay.
And how they sort of make a bucket list of sorts for Abhishek Bachchan and Ballu makes sure कि वो सारी चीज़ें जो bucket list पर हैं वो अभिषेक बच्चन कर ले because eventually he would want to be happy.
Right.
It is such a nice touching movie and of course सारी story तो नहीं बता सकते. I want you guys to watch it. But निमृत कौर का भी इसमें एक छोटा सा रोल है and she also comes across as a very very genuine actor and
Nice.
बिरयानी का बहुत बड़ा रोल है. और वो
Okay.
क्यों है वो मूवी देखना आपको पता चल जाएगा.
भूख लग रही है यार.
भूख का तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता बट आई कैन डेफिनेटली मेक सम अमेजिंग कॉफी लिकर कॉकटेल फॉर यू.
What are we waiting for?
Cheers.
Cheers. What a lovely summer afternoon and the perfect espresso martini. The caffeine kick.
Why did you go latte less?
As they say, once you go black, you never go back.
And do let us know how did you like the coffee liquor. You guys should also try it. नाम तो आपने देख ही लिया. Absolute की कॉफी लिकर है. मैंने बनाई है दूध के साथ और भाई पी रहा है
Black.
black.
No milk.
Cheers guys.
Cheers.